Hello guys, in this video let us check out the Amitabh Bachchan voice on Alexa. Now you can go and purchase the Amitabh Bachchan voice skill on Amazon app. You can go to Amazon app and type in Amitabh Bachchan voice and you can purchase this skill. Now I have already purchased this skill and I will enable now to show you how to enable this on your Alexa devices. So now as we have purchased it, let us enable it. To do so, we'll just tell Alexa, enable Amitabh Bachchan voice.
I am setting up the celebrity wake word on this device. If you want to disable it, you can do that in device settings in your...
It has been enabled. Now if I go to all devices section, here you can see here is my Hall Eco Show. I'll go into its settings and here under wake word you can see here we have Amit J enabled. Now let us try the same on the Eco Show. Alexa, introduce me to Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan is already here and waiting for you. Just say, Amit ji, tell me a poem or, Amit ji, wish me good morning.
Amit ji, wish me good morning.
Good morning. Every day is like a new page in the story of your life. Make it a great one today.
अमित जी, कितने आदमी थे?
कितने आदमी? ये तो आप गलत आदमी से पूछ रहे हैं, सांबा से पूछना पड़ेगा.
There are a lot of cool sentences that you can ask Amitabh Bachchan on this Alexa device. Let us try a few more. Amit ji, how's the weather?
Did you know that there are 5 major cloud types? And sorry to say, but they're all out there today. Currently in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, it's 29 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect thunderstorms with a low of 27 degrees.
Amit ji, wish me happy birthday.
Wish you a happy birthday, a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you.
Amit ji, tell me a quote.
Okay then, let me share a quote by Mother Teresa. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. These words tell us,
Amit ji, can you speak in Hindi?
yes, of course. If you'd like to speak to me in Hindi, go to the device settings on your Alexa or just say speak in Hindi.
Speak in Hindi. Amit ji, speak in Hindi.
Would you like me to be able to speak both English and Hindi?
Yes.
Okay, I now speak English and Hindi on this device. Would you like me to be able to speak both English and Hindi on all of your Echo devices?
Yes.
Okay, it may take a few minutes to update the languages on all of your Echo devices.
Amit ji, what's your favorite food?
Perhaps you should know that I'm a vegetarian. It's not a vegetarian in the strict sense of the word. I used to eat meat and everything, but just suddenly one day I decided I wanted to remain a vegetarian. It's got nothing to do with health or with any other customs or rituals, just that I felt I'm happy eating vegetarian food. I'm a very simple eater. I eat Indian vegetarian food, roti, dal, indi, aloo,
Amit
that
ji,
stuff.
show me indie music.
Showing stations matching Indian, included with Prime on Amazon Music. Sometimes a pizza, sometimes a little pasta, but other than that, that's it. I don't trouble the kitchen or the cook too much.
Amit ji, who is your favorite actor?
वैसे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कई अच्छे अभिनेता हैं जिनका काम मुझे पसंद है, but if I had to pick one, my choice would be Dilip Kumar.
Amit ji, how are you?
बढ़िया हूँ बढ़िया. पूछने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Amit ji, धन्यवाद।
अरे इतनी भी क्या फॉर्मेलिटी।
अमित जी, शुभ रात्रि।
गुड नाइट। एक इंटरेस्टिंग बात याद आई। एक महाशय हैं, जानते हैं, उन्होंने नॉन स्टॉप 11 दिन और 25 मिनट सोने का रिकॉर्ड बनाया। अरे नहीं नहीं, मैं आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं दे रहा। आपके लिए 8 घंटे बहुत हैं।
अमित जी, बाय बाय।
Goodbye. Stay healthy, stay safe, and speak to you soon.
So guys, as you can see, there are a lot of skills that you can use with Amitabh Bachchan voice. So just go to the Amazon app, purchase the same, and enjoy the celebrity skill of Amitabh Bachchan on your Alexa devices. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click the like button, also press the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a video. We upload videos on quick gadget reviews, audio reviews, vlogs, food, lifestyle, etc. So here you can see, here is a tech blog which is a trendy blog.in, wherein we upload about productivity, gadget reviews, etc. So you can check out our blog and get some cool information about latest review of the products. So guys, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our blog to get updated on latest tech. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Once again, this is Sai Christian signing off. I'll catch you guys soon.